students, in previous lectures we have learned about different type of number systems and their conversion in other number system. Today we are going to learn about codes in digital electronics. Basically there are three types of codes in digital electronics. BCD code, that is binary coded decimal code. Second one is ASCII code. This is also called as a American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Number 3, EBCDIC code. In short, this code is called as a IPCD code. Okay. Now let's start different type of codes. BCD code. BCD means binary coded decimal code. Okay. This is binary coded decimal code. This code is weighted code. What is meant by weighted code? As this code is represented by only digit 8421, or this code is called as a 8421 code, because the reason is behind that 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Due to this reason only this is a 4-bit code and represented by the digits 8421. Is that clear, students? In this code, decimal digits from 0 to 9 can be written as their natural binary equivalents using 4 bits. Remember, in this code, decimal digits means from 0 to 9. These digits can be written as their natural binary equivalents using 4 bits. These 4 bits 8421. Means, for example, if we have to represent this 12 decimal by using BCD, then we have to write a separate binary equivalent for digit 1 and digit 2. Not directly binary equivalent of 12. Means, if 12 decimal is represented by BCD like 00010010 BCD instead of 1100 in binary. Okay, is that clear? So, if we have to represent 2 digits data in BCD, we have to make separate 2 digit and then we have to write their binary equivalents. Okay, starting from 0 to 9. Here number 1 is represented in binary from 0001 and binary 2 can be represented as 0010. Okay, so this is the equivalent BCD of 12 decimal. Now instead of 1100 in binary, even though only 0 and 1 are used in BCD, code is different from binary number system. Okay. Difference between binary and BCD numbers. Okay. Thus, even though only 0 and 1 are used in BCD code, it is different from binary number. Okay. How it is different from binary number? It requires more number of bits using BCD code than using binary. See, this is the chart. You will get a clear idea about binary and BCD. If you observe carefully, here 0 represented by 4 bit 0, 1 represented by 4 bit 0001, 2 represented by 0010 in binary. It is same as that of in BCD 0010. What about 4? This is also same. So we can see starting from 0 to 9. Let us observe the 9 binary is equal to 1001 and 9 BCD represented here 1001. Means BCD code is identical to binary for decimal numbers from 0 to 9. Okay. Now student, means this 1001 BCD and 1001 binary both are same. But what about two digit number in binary and there in BCD? If you observe, but 1001 is the largest group, as this is the largest group in BCD, okay, largest group, and 1010 to 1111 corresponding from 10 decimal to 15 decimal are forbidden groups. Let us see these three examples. Starting from 0 to 9, the binary and BCD numbers are equals, but then next to 10, these are two digit numbers, two digit decimal number. In BCD number system, we can represent this BCD number system by writing their separate equivalent binary by using 0 to 9 representation in binary. See here, we can write binary equivalent by dividing 2 will get 1010. Okay, this 1010 is equal to binary, okay, binary equivalent of 10 decimal. But if we have to represent this 10 decimal in binary, then we have to write separately this 1 0 0 0 1 and this 0 in 4-bit representation 0 0 0 0. Here 11, this 1 can be represented separately and this 1 can be represented separately in BCD. But in binary number, we can write directly 1011, as by using this double method, conversion of decimal to binary, will write this 1011. What about number 12? 12 in binary by double method can be written directly 1100. But if we have to represent in BCD, then the equivalent of 12 decimal in BCD will be 0001 0010. Means by writing separate equivalent binary of digit 1 and separate equivalent binary of digit 2, we'll get the total equivalent BCD of decimal 12. Is that clear? Now remember that 0 to 9 equivalent binary and BCD are equal, but two digits binary and BCD are totally different. Okay, and remember that this 1001 is the largest group, means this is the largest BCD. Okay. Now let us see what are the applications of BCD code. BCD code is used in pocket calculators, electronic counters, digital voltmeters, digital clocks, in digital systems for input and output operations. Okay. Now what are the advantages? As this BCD code is 4-bit code, so we have to remember only 0 to 9 equivalent binary. Okay, so this is one of the most advantages for BCD code, and we can write quickly the equivalent BCD of given decimal number. So decimal number can be easily converted into BCD numbers and vice versa, because we have to remember equivalent numbers for 0 through 9 only, as we convert only one digit at a time. Okay, but BCD code have some disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages of BCD code? In this BCD code, binary addition and BCD addition rules are different. So we cannot apply rules of BCD addition to binary addition or rules of binary addition to BCD addition. Okay. Then BCD number uses long string or chain of zeros and one. So it takes more memory to save the BCD numbers. This is one of the disadvantage. Then BCD number have limited value in computers. A modern computer must be able to process alphanumeric. So binary numbers are used in computers rather than BCD. So student, you have to remember the applications of BCD code, advantages of BCD code and disadvantages of BCD code. This may be asked in board exam for 3 marks. Now this is a next code, ASCII code. In short, we call it ASCII code, or the name of this code is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Means this code is an industry standard code developed nearly 30 years ago. This is a 7-bit code used to represent how many? 128. Means 2 raised to 7 is equal to 128 alphanumeric value as well as some symbols. A sufficient number of code combinations are available to represent both uppercase and lowercase letters of the alphabet. This code allows manufacturers to standardize computer hardware such as keyboard, printer, and video displays. The ASCII code format can be represented with the help of this data from x0 to x7. As this is a 7-bit, so it is represented starting from x0 and at last it is x6. So x6, x5, x4, x3, x2, x1, x0. In this way, this is a 7-bit code. In this 7-bit code, first 3 letter shows that the code and remaining 4 letters, 4 digit shows that zone. Okay. Now, where x is either 0 or 1. The first 3 bits are taken from the column in which a symbol appears and the last 4 bits are corresponds to the row. For example, this is a data designed for alphabet A, that is 100, and this is stored as 0001 zone. For lowercase alphabet A, it is 1100001. For numerical value 8, it is represented 00111000. For ampersand symbol, it is represented with digits 0100110. Okay. Now let us see next code, IPSID code. Now students, this is the next and last code in this video lecture, ABCDIC code. We can pronounce it IPSID, and the name of this code is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. As you have seen in previous topic, ASCII code is basically 7-bit code. Then this code is developed after ASCII code. This code is developed by IBM, that is International Business Machine Corporation. Okay, this code make use of 8-bit, that is 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256. 8-bit per character, and it is thus capable of representing 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256 characters. Means it is an improvement over ASCII. If data coded in ASCII, suppose Student, if you have to use the data coded in ASCII is to be used in computer which codes data in EBCDIC. It is necessary to transform ASCII to EBCD. A special ready-made electronic circuits. Previously, special ready-made electronic circuit is available to carry this transformation. But after that, one may also do the transformation by using computer program. And in the similar way, transformation from EBCDIC to ASCII, that is vice versa, is also available. Now let us see some example that are represented in 8-bit, that is EBCD code. This 11000001 code is designed for representing alphabet A in uppercase, while 11000010 code is developed for representing alphabet B in uppercase. In similar way, there are different type of EBCD codes are available that are given in your textbook. That chart is given, you can observe that. You may remember only 2 or 3 examples, that is enough to write the answer of this question. If the question is like asked like explain EBCD code, then you have to write this much note and give 2 or 3 examples. Is that clear, student? Okay. If you have any doubt, then feel free to ask me. Now student, let us remember some important terms. Bit. In digital electronics, bit is nothing but either 0 or 1, means that are binary digits only. What is meant by LSB? LSB means least significant bit. MSB, that is the most significant bit. Nibble, it is a group of 4 bits. For example, this is the one nibble 0110, 0011, 1111. These are the examples of one nibble. Now byte is nothing but 8 bits, or we can write it, this is 2 nibble. For example, 00001010, this is a 1 byte. Next example, 11001101, this is another example of byte. 00011111, this is another example of byte. Understood all of you? Now what is meant by string? This string is nothing but group of characters, digits or letters written one after another. Okay. Now what conclusion we have seen? What topic we have seen today? BCD code. That code is 4-bit code. Is that clear? ASCII code. This ASCII code is 7-bit code. Then after ASCII, next derived code is EBCD code, and this EBCD code is 8-bit code. Is that clear, students? Okay, this is enough for today's lecture. In next lecture, we will see about some examples of 1's complement subtraction and 2's complement subtraction. Thank you.